Jellyfish cross entire oceans, feeding on whatever happens to tangle with their tentacles. Some can grow to 1 meter, even 2 meters across. They encounter a patch of sea rich in plankton. Their numbers explode. It's such a successful strategy that jellies are one of the most common life forms on the planet. But among the jellies, the Portuguese man-o-war. It floats with the help of a gas-filled bladder. It maintains a steady course through the waves. Each is armed with many thousands of stinging cells. A single tentacle could kill a fish, or in rare cases, a human.